In this video, I'm going to show you how to send an email to Piggyvest. So all you just need to do is just log into your Piggyvest app, then click on contact to find their email. There's two options where you can actually find their email. So the first option is just to scroll down, then you can see contact us. So right here you can see their phone number, you can see their email. Just copy, and mostly likely their email is contact@piggyvest.com. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. So scroll, come down to this page or to the home page, then click on the top right icon. You can see your profile picture if you already have your own profile picture right there. So once you click on that, on top right you can see this is their email right there. You can see contact@piggyvest.com. You can also see their phone number. So you have two ways to contact them, but since you are looking for how to send an email to Piggyvest, just use this contact@piggyvest.com, and then you'll be able to reach out to them without any issue.